Hello friends, welcome to PCB Learning Avenue. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add logo in Altium Designer. Adding a company logo or any custom graphic to PCB can make the board look more professional and help with product identification. So let's see how to add logo to our PCB step by step. Step 1. Open the PCB layout or Altium project file. Go to the file, open, select the PCB project file, double click on PCB file. PCB file is open. Then select area, which area need to place the logo. So it is always recommended add the logo on top side of the PCB and should not be overlapped with the open via or any pad of the component. And logo must be placed in the seal screen top or seal screen bottom. Now enable seal screen top means top overlay. Go to the place, select graphics, then select the area or how big you logo want. So I'm going to select that one area. Select the logo file. It should be in image format or its extension should be BMP JPEG. Select here inverted. Okay, we are going to see these all options. First we'll see enabling inverted levels. Union, select union. Quality, this is the pixel quality, image quality. So first we'll select default. Okay. Here our logo is placed. Let's again import with a different option. Select graphics, select the size of the logo, save the logo. Now disable this inverted, make it union. Now we are going to select 200 dpi. So we can see the difference between this logo. This is the inverted, this is non-inverted. Now again import, select graphics, now we have to select primitives with the theme. Let's say like 1200 dpi primitives. Okay. So difference between the union and primitive is uh, in union we can move logo completely, but in primitives we can select only partial section. Here we can see now only G text we can move. So always choose union. So even if we are going to move logo on any area of the PCB, it's easy to move. Let's see this logo in 3D. Go to the view, select 3D layout mode or press 3 key. Let's again say place logo on the bottom seal screen. Delete these two logo. Graphics. Select this size. Again logo. Select union inverted. Now logo placed on bottom seal screen. So let's see in bottom side of the PCB. So it is mirror. We have to mirror this image. So we can, instead of placing bottom side again logo, instead of we can move this logo and press CL, so we can make it top and bottom. Now this is in top layer, top seal screen. You can see here. Now we are going to place it on bottom. So select the logo, move and press CL. Now the logo is mirrored. Let's again see in 3D. Flip the board size. It is in readable format. Uh, After the placing logo, zoom in and check the PCB layout correctly. Though make sure the logo is inside the board outline. It does not overlap with the vias, any component outline or component pad, and the logo is in a readable format. Here we can learn all text are visible, proper visible, and we can read it. An important tip: the silkscreen text width and size should be compatible with the manufacturer's capability. And save the file. Now you know how to add logo in Altium Designer and place it in your PCB. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to PCB Learning Avenue. Thanks for watching.